Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to connect to EA servers error in FC26. This method is quick, safe, and works for most players. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set Preferred DNS Server to 8.8.8.8 and set Alternate DNS Server to 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all windows. Now for the next step, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch FC26 again. The EA server connection issue should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.